Hey y'all, I hope everybody's okay out there today. Thank you guys for tuning in, checking us out today. Today in the kitchen, y'all, well, I am visiting. We're on the road traveling, visiting my family today. Today in the kitchen, I have my father-in-law in the kitchen with me today, cooking up a very special treat.
Well, my name is Deacon Snyder. This is my daughter-in-law, and my son is here. And the first thing I want to say is we give God the praise that we're still here on this day.
That's right.
God allows us to be here.
Yes.
And the next thing I want to say, God told me to tell the world that He still lives.
That's right.
He's still doing the same thing He's doing in the spirit.
That's right.
But people, I really want to let you know about myself. That I was a street man out in the street. Had bars, things like other people had. But then God changed me. He brought me out the bar, and He hauled there and put me on the right road. But let me tell you about this first. God told me when I was so sick, I thought I was gonna die. We went to every doctor. My wife took me to every doctor you can name. They couldn't find nothing wrong with me. And I got back in that base and started praying. And I talked to the Lord. I said, Lord, I'm not trying to make a deal with you. I say, but if you save me, I say, if you save me, Lord, I'll save the rest of my life. I say, if I don't do what you say, take me out. I said, I mean that. I said, because the doctor don't know what's wrong with me, but you do. And I kept praying that prayer. Every night I go to bed and I praying that prayer. And God came to me, woke me up in the morning about 3 o'clock. He said, yeah, I got something I want you to do. I said, yes, Lord. He said, I want you to go out there and tell this dying where I still live. I said, yes, Lord. That's all He told me the first night. Then I would jump up and told my wife, woke up at that time of morning and said, baby, God just talked to me. She said, talk to you? I said, it's like I'm talking to you. She said, oh yeah, I told her what you saying. Then the next night, I lay up there, I'd been praying, lay up and fell asleep. He woke me up again. He said, yeah, I got something I want you to do. I said, yes, Lord. He said, I want you to tell this dying where I still live. I said, well, I'm going to tell her. Tell her what I did for you, because I'm not satisfied with people leaving my people. I said, yes, Lord. I said, that's why I want you to go out here and let this dying world know I still live. I still done the same thing I'm doing in the spirit. I said, yes, Lord. And I've been doing it ever since. But let me tell you what happened to me. After I told God that, I still didn't have a made-up mind like I was supposed to have. So they were DJing. I'm at this place. Had a Thanksgiving party. The devil fooled me up again. The devil stay on you. Yeah. He said, you go out there and DJ. Because the man who was there DJ, you had your club, you know how you do it. Go out there and make these people dance. Mm-hmm. I stepped on the stage, went to the box, the record went on, so whoop. The boy said, what happened to my record? And God said, I did. Said, I'm not, said, you can't do that. I said, oh no. He said, no. He said, because you represent me now. He said, kid, no watching you. I went back and told Love, I said, Love, they eat our food and get out here. Lord, just talk to me.
Yes.
And told me I can't do like the word do. I'm representing Him. And when I realized and God told me I represent Him, that was it.
That was it.
I made up my mind right there. I'm not going to do like the world, because He's not satisfied with the people using all these different names about these doctors and umbrellas and all that. He's not interested in that. He wants you to do it His way. If you can't do it His way, He ain't worried about no money. He ain't worried about nothing. If you get on the air, you say, well, look, help me out to preach His word. Don't tell me you need these millions of dollars. Don't do that, because God's not satisfied with it. I'll let the word know. He told me to tell him. He's not satisfied with people doing it out there. If you repeat what's enough, He ain't satisfied with that. Right. You got to do it His way, because a lot of people have died and haven't forgiven. He told me, woke me up about 3 months ago. Said, I want you to tell this world when you get out there. There ain't nobody went through what He went through, and He forgive. millions of people went through what we went through. So that's why if you can't forgive, you can't see his face.
Yes.
So you got to go through him to see God's face. Yes. And if you can't forgive, he forgive. If you can't forgive, you won't see. A lot of people have died out here now. Yes. Haven't forgive. Then I don't care how much you go to church, how much you do this, how much you cry and shout. If you got something against somebody you can't forgive, you're not going to see God's face. I'm through with it.
All right.
That's
all right.
it.
So what you telling us, Daddy, is how you get to live to see your age.
That's
One
right.
of the things is forgiveness.
That's
right.
right.
What God wants. A good word for the day. I like that.
And my age is 83 years old.
All right.
I'll be 84 on my birthday, and I feel like I'm about 32.
God. That's right.
Ain't God good?
So that's a message from Deacon Snyder, my father-in-law, to y'all. Isn't that a good word for the day? So I knew I was coming over today with family, hanging out. And my family, my husband's family is from New Orleans. So one thing I wanted to do was kind of bring a New Orleans feel today. So today we're going to be cooking something good for y'all today, something different. We're going to be cooking double stuffed seafood angel eggs. All right, Daddy, you with me?
I'm with you.
All right. So this meal here only takes 6 ingredients. It don't take long. You take your hard-boiled eggs. You boil them for about 20 minutes. You let them cool off for about a good 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you what to do next, okay? Let's go ahead and get started, Daddy. Our hands are already washed and clean.
Mm-hmm.
We ready to go.
Go.
I'm gonna let you help me today, Daddy.
Okay.
You know, he's the breakfast man. You talk about cook some breakfast? I know him since I was 16 years old. He don't know. Sometimes on Saturday mornings, I make sure I make my way around that corner and get some of that good breakfast. And you didn't even know that, did you?
Yeah.
I make sure I be there to get that breakfast. So after you cool the eggs off, you're going to crack them, right? You're going to crack them. And you peel them, okay? I'm going to do one more for you guys. You're going to, after it's cooled off, you're going to take it, crack it, make sure you get all the eggshells off. And then for me, I like to dry them. I don't like to put them in when they're wet. I like to dry them, just like this. Okay? Then you're going to take your egg. Let me bring it over here so I can show y'all. You're going to take the egg and slice it in half. Okay? Slice it in half. And then I have my bowl over here for the inside of the egg. I have my bowl over here ready to fill. Take it. See that? That's how that goes. I'll give you step by step like I usually do. Okay, so it's only 6 ingredients in this recipe. Okay, we have shrimp, already cooked, tail off shrimp. And what I did is dice some up separately. I'm going to incorporate that in my mixing. You'll see it when I do it. I'll show you. And then I'm going to keep some to the side and you will see how we're going to do that. I have Miracle Whip. You can use Hellmann's, salad dressing, whichever you prefer, but today this is what we'll be using, Miracle Whip. Okay. I also have relish, sweet relish, and once you incorporate that in there, you want to make sure you drain the juice off. And then I have that Creole seasoning. Now, Daddy, I knew I was cooking with you today. I had to do some spice, a little bit spicy, not too much spice,
Yes.
but New Orleans style.
New Orleans style. That's
All
it.
right, okay. And you can't forget the main ingredients. We got those eggs going. Kind of get you a little fancy dish or whatever dish you got in the kitchen to prepare it for your family, your friends, you got them. All right, let's get the mixing, Daddy. You said you're going to help me in here today, right?
Yes.
I'm excited. Let's get it going here. So we're going to go ahead and put a couple scoops. I know you always make that good old potato salad, so
Yes,
it's
I
easy
do.
for you.
Yes.
Yes, but I put a little twist to it, my own little recipe.
Okay.
All right. So we went ahead and put the mayo in.
Mm-hmm.
Put a couple of teaspoons of relish. Make sure you get the juice off. Just a little bit of juice you want to go in there to keep it a little sweet. Not too watery.
Okay.
Don't nobody want no watery angel eggs.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add that Creole.
Please.
Not
Yes.
just a little bit.
Have to make it. Have to do it.
Don't need no more seasoning after you add the Creole. The Creole is all in one, y'all.
Right.
Put that spice zang to it. All right. If you need more mayo, that's you add more. Now, the shrimp that I cut up already, I'm gonna incorporate that.
Okay.
All right. Oh, today, Daddy, you right.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's put that to the side so the people can see. Got the shrimp sitting over here. Want to mix it up for me, Dad? Oh, okay, thank you. You got your chunks of shrimp already in your mixture, and we're gonna add some extra shrimp, y'all. Thank you. See that, y'all? This y'all mixture. Look at that. Come up. Yep, that's the mixture. Okay. So we're gonna get to stuffing. You want me to go ahead and stuff them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go ahead and stuff them. So you take how much you want, and you put it into those eggs. Hey guys, I left out one ingredient, almost, the dill seed. That's one of the secret recipes to this. So you're gonna sprinkle some dill seed, tastes just like dill pickles. You're gonna sprinkle a little bit to give it a little flavor and give it a good taste. So the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our shrimp, Daddy, and we're just gonna decorate it.
Beautiful.
Okay, y'all, so since we have finished the double stuffed seafood angel eggs, I got my family here with me today. Yes, we enjoying each other, having a good time.
Yeah.
I got my brother-in-law. We're gonna start from the left. OV, y'all already know Deacon Snyder, my father-in-law. I got my mother-in-law, Mary Snyder.
Hi.
I got my niece, Nora, in the kitchen with me today too. I got my nephew / godson, little OV, in the kitchen with me today. Little Iman is chilling with us today. Yes, and all y'all know my husband Bruce. So I brought them all in today when we came to them because I want them to taste these today, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start this way. Okay, y'all, so I want y'all to go ahead and taste it and tell. Fathers took time out of their day today to spend time with us, and we appreciate them. We spending time with them, ain't that right, Mama?
Yeah.
Ain't that right, Nora?
You can cook some more of these. Make some more of these.
Make some more of them? That's what I'm talking about. This is a special time for us, y'all. Family is everything. Like my father-in-law said, forgiving heart is how you make it. Love on each other. Pray for each other. God is good. Thank y'all for tuning in with me. Don't forget to subscribe. You know all the rest. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you, family.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.